Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one very useful component to reduce APK size. Today we are going to see how to use proguard in Android, and we will also see what is the thing that we have to take care using proguard, and we will also see how to add rules in proguard. So watch the video till end. Before moving to our tutorial, I want to tell you that if you like our tutorial, then subscribe to our channel and like this tutorial and comment below. Do support so we can create amazing tutorials for you. So let's begin. proguard is a free Java tool that used to do three major things. So first, it minify the code. Second, it first add the code. And third, it will optimize the code. Now let's understand all these points in detail. After this, we will see how to use proguard, and at the end, we will see how to add rules for proguard. So watch the video till end. So the first point is to minify the code. Now proguard will remove all the unused code, which means code that has no reference or no longer use. Then that code will remove by the proguard. Second, of first add the code. It means it is difficult to reverse engineering the code. It will change all the name to non-related, like if the class name is main activity, then it will change to A or B. Third, optimize the code. Now, sometimes we have to use inline function, but we have not used, so it will optimize the code and make the application faster. So this is the three major things proguard do. Minifies the code, first add the code, and third, optimize the code. Now let's see how to enable proguard in our application. So open build Gradle app module, and here we have to enable minify. So make it true and seeing the Gradle. So proguard is enabled in the project. I hope you understood what is proguard and how to use. Comment below if you have any query, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now let's see how to add rules in proguard. Now if you are using any libraries, then you have to check that it has the proguard rules. So in one of my project, I have used retrofit to call the API. So we have to check that if there any rule. So in my case it has some rules, so go to the library and here we can see the rules. Simply copy it and paste it in proguard-rules.pro file. So it is, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you understood how to apply proguard and how to add rules in proguard. If you like our content, then subscribe to our channel and do support. Give your valuable feedback in comment section. Stay happy. See you guys in the next tutorial.